I'm starting off this vlog. As y'all can see, we still snowed in. So our water is shut off in Jackson, Mississippi. So look at what they put outside of our dorms. But it's okay because me and my friends are about to go to a hotel, so I'm gonna just vlog our experience and let y'all know what it is and what it ain't. And there's also a game on Sunday. So
and we ain't got no water. We ain't got nothing.
We don't got shit.
Y'all add me _Fabulous_K, period, on Instagram. I follow back and I show love.
Period.
But where you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Okay, you should have stayed up there.
Where you from?
I'm from Mississippi. This my city. Like,
period.
No,
she got a rep, you know.
And this how they represented us. Do better. Like, I'm okay.
We ain't the only ones that's leaving. Okay, so we got our stuff and we gone. Y'all see all my shit right there. Yeah, look at my friends. There go Keon right there in the car, waiting on us. But yeah, we finna go. I think we finna go to Nevaeh room so she can get some more things because we have to wash our hair, y'all. It's like you never know how much you use a certain utility until it's gone. Like the water went out, you can't do nothing. Why is he so loud, y'all? Why is you so loud? If you want to be in the video, just say that.
Like, they know everybody but me.
So this is my favorite person. Stop doing. I'm not putting that on YouTube.
Can I shoot?
Yeah. Say your name and your social medias.
There goes Sai.
And what's your name?
Sai. We paid it for it. Oh, okay.
Why would they do that? You should be like, did nobody tell y'all to do that?
I said, how much is it? She said $225.
18. Yeah, I booked online. On the website, it said 18. Okay, let's go, guys. You already know the vibes. I said door closed. Keon ain't even got on yet.
I couldn't use that.
Yeah, that's a nice group picture.
You on third floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Like we're going on a field trip. An overnight stay for college tours.
Oh, God.
This is how it was. Go subscribe to his channel. What's your channel name? It's hard out here.
It's KETV.
No, this shower
So
don't
we-
work.
No, this toilet don't flush.
So that means the water works fine. The water.
So guys, the freaking shower, the toilet doesn't work. So yeah, I know that's why we're here, is because we struggle living with water. So we finna go back downstairs. So they gave us a new hotel room because the toilet didn't work in the other one. So let me show y'all around before my friends come in here. This is the mirror. I look bummy. Wait till I take a shower. Here's the bathroom. It's real small. It's like a little slide door too. Toilet works in this one. Shower. Little vendor area where you keep your eyes, your sink, brush your teeth. And then 2 beds, and a closet. And so now I'm gonna go get my stuff. I got some Chinese food. Let me show y'all what it is. Japanese food, my bad.
So you,
And so this is that. And it came with a salad. I'm gonna eat the salad right now. And then we're gonna eat my other food. Me and China got the same thing. Nevaeh and Keon got tacos and like Mexican food. And Paul got Cane's. Cause I guess. China, which sauce you use on your salad?
That one is in there.
It do taste good.
Like we was all the way in Flowood, Mississippi. Then you want us to stop at a gas station, then a liquor store. Then
That dry ass salad.
Don't give me no. You all in my business. Don't give me no.
I got some pencils too.
Taste the salad dressing though.
It's honey mustard.
I don't know. That's just good as fuck.
I'm allergic to mushrooms, bitch. I'm out there.
It is.
No, I eat this.
I love honey mustard on my salad.
That's good as hell.
Take a piece of shrimp.
Yeah. I almost said no.
I need some yum sauce.
What y'all here have it? Please don't listen.
After hours.
It's the next morning. It's time to go. We're finna go do some technical stuff. Let me take my what's name out. We finna go do some technical stuff, you know, people cars and stuff. I put on a wig for these hoes because you already know not to play with me. So yeah, we finna go. Yeah, my friends got YouTube channels. Period. Don't get mad, get a bag. I scraped the fuck out my leg.
Bitch, I'm blowing my mind.
Back on campus, they go China. Bow. But we just here to get some clothes though. Okay, y'all, so I stopped in my room to get some more stuff. And I did. I got my little trash bag. I grabbed my sweater and my pom-pom because you know game day is Sunday. They still got these porta potties right here.
That's why I be stealing from you.
Period.
You don't never answer when I need money.
China.
Why the fuck would you stop right in the motherfucking middle?
I would have killed if I had a big ass truck. I would have. Sunny inside. We at American Deli. My English said, "Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha." I never had American Deli though, but Keon. Not they came. Look at China walking with ease. This is my first time at American Deli though.
And break it down here. Because why the fuck not? Down
You
here.
should pull. So back at the hotel. And what we eating. So, and watch a TV.
Delicious filling? Best thing ever. Okay, wait. Is it straight?
The next day.
So y'all, we done checked out and everything. Well, let me turn this brightness down. We done checked out and everything. So we at Walmart right now. It's game day today. So those are vibes.
Sex stuff for real.
You cold?
So we back, guys. And it's game day.
Right here, baby.
Yep.
Now we gotta find game one. Where is it? Let me see that 1, 2. And it was
Oh, shit, bitch. Yes, sir. So, y'all, it's really windy. Say hey,
What the
China.
police pictures on?
Hey, y'all.
Okay, what the police on?
Hey, Nisha Vlog. So, we at the game, and y'all look. It's the motherfucking Sonic Boom of the show. But
But yeah, y'all know the vibes with me and my shorty.
Please don't
We
play
in
with
here
us. You should be.
and we go to Jackson State, the best HBCU in the world, and we got the best band. And
Yup, period.
y'all gonna see them. Period.
But not the sound.
I'm going home. If my toilet doesn't flush, I'm going home.
Oh shit, I'm in here.
I can't wait to go to a college. Hold on.
I need to get the JC. The JC, you finna see them do 8 count.
Premier Insurance Services.
And that was just so beautiful. Tap, tap, tap in. Tap,
So we won 53-0. I'm sleepy, so I'm sorry if I'm a little dry right now, but I'm sleepy. Y'all know, after being on high, you know, I'm just tired and I'm ready to go to bed low key, and I'm thirsty. I ain't had nothing to drink all day. Whew. That's food in there. My motherfucking God, excuse me. It's the next day, and I had so much fun yesterday or whatever, but we're back to reality. I'm back in my dorm room. That was my first like home game, so as a college student, so I was excited. I was hyped. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. And yeah.